Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Wake Up Bright, where I share all of the things that help me live each day a little brighter. I'm April Lauren and I'm on a journey to lose a lot of weight, 200 pounds total to be exact. I am a little over 60 pounds of the way there and therefore have less than 140 pounds to lose now, which is exciting. I commonly get a question, and that is, where do I get my activewear from?
Now in this video, I'm not talking about all of the places that I get activewear from, but recently, and by recently, I mean in the past 2 months, I have made a few orders from Buff Bunny, K-Deer, and Fabletics. So this is a plus size activewear haul where I'm just gonna show you what I bought. And this video does not turn out like I thought, but the questions really started when I did 75 hard, which is what you're looking at now, is the results from 75 hard. And so I just wanna get into it. I wanna tell you where I get my activewear from and do a quick little haul.
Let's just dive in to my recent purchases. I have been saving these to share with you right now. I bought 2 sets. One is the navy set that I recently wore for my birthday. I also wore it for my Mile for Time. I've been wearing it often. I even wore it in a recent cleaning video, and that is the navy blue leggings, not leggings, but joggers from Buff Bunny. When I ordered that, I also ordered this. It's called the Bossy print. I love it. I love the detailing. I have the shorts, they're black, and I am nervous. I have not tried these on yet. I am nervous that I will be able to see through them. I can't see through them right now and I'm facing light, so that's a good sign. Anyway, I love the way these leggings look. I love that I can finally fit into them. So I've got the leggings here, and then I have this cute sports bra. Now, what I love about these sports bras by Buff Bunny, this is not the sports bra I thought I ordered. I should have opened this sooner. So I'm pretty sure I either intended or thought I was ordering one that is like the Bossy print bra I already have. So I thought I was ordering this bra. So this is the way this bra ends. So this bra is a little, like, it's got straps, it's cute, but the way this is down here, it doesn't give me like extra rolls. Like a lot of my sports bras will give me extra rolls. So I like very specific ones. One thing I don't love about any of their sports bras is they all have cups in them, and the cups are not like, I mean, I guess it fits the space, but I feel like you can see the cups and it doesn't proportion well to the size of my boobs. So, but that's just that. So I'm feeling a little devastated. I do love this print. I'm eager to try on this sports bra, and I will let you know how it goes. I'm thinking this is gonna look all kinds of messed up on my back. My back is has a lot of fat on my back. I'm very insecure about it. Recently, I ordered from Fabletics, and I thought I was being so careful. I don't usually order the power hold stuff, and I really thought that it was the Motion 365, which is what I like to order, but then when I went to return it, it wouldn't let me return this stuff. So I'm just going to wear it anyway. I do love that the Power Hold 360 has pockets. That's really awesome, but I don't love that it doesn't catch as much sweat, and I have more chafing in the Power Hold. They also do not tend to stay up as well. As I wear them, they loosen and then they don't stay up. So, and I didn't just do that with one pair. I did that. So Fabletics, if you don't know, Fabletics is interesting. They do these specials where like you can get an outfit and the outfit together is really cheap. And I had built up, so I do Fabletics where it's like a monthly membership. So every month I pay into Fabletics $50, and then I can place orders. So I don't order all of the time, but when I order, I usually use my credits, and then I want to maximize my credits, so I only get outfits with my credits. It's just I'm weird, but it's the way I am. So I also got this same thing in gray. So maybe now that it's winter here, it's winter. Now that it's like 70 degrees sometime during the day instead of like 80 and 90, maybe now that it's cooling off, this stuff will work a little bit better for me. I also haven't tried to wear the Power Hold stuff since last year. So like the yellow outfit that I wore in my first Mile for Time was a Power Hold bottom. A lot of the other videos, I'll pop some up just to give examples of the Power Hold. I really would love to do a full review on Fabletics, so I hope you guys are here for it. But I also don't want to make a video that nobody's gonna watch. So, for real, let me know in the comments down below if that would be your cup of tea, or specifically, if people don't say anything, I'll probably go ahead and do it. But if you're like, if I get a lot of like, no, absolutely not, we would hate that, then I will not do it. Okay, so then I got 2 t-shirts, which I'm pretty lukewarm about. Really, as soon as I realized my error with the pants, I wanted to return them, and I went on and it wouldn't let me. Like it would let me return pieces of it, but not the whole thing. And I'm like, well, it's not even worth it to return it if you're only gonna give me like $3 for the shirt. And I actually like the shirts. So I got 2 of these shirts. It's the first time where I've ordered t-shirts from there, and it's a legit t-shirt. Like it's not like some weird croppy thing. I typically do not order their shirts though. I almost never wear activewear tops from Fabletics. They always fit and look weird. And hug like the wrong things. So I'm sure that will be the case here too, but I'm very underwhelmed by this outfit, or outfits. Typically I do like the sports bra bottoms. So let's move on. This order I am very excited about, because it was me sizing down. That's the only reason why I placed this order. So this order I used credits, and I also ordered my husband's stuff with this order, which is why it was already open. I was so devastated. Like I ordered him stuff with credits that I had, and I was so excited. And then I opened and I was like, oh no, Power Hold. I'm not excited, but what I am excited for are these. So these I ordered in 2X, and do keep in mind, like, different brand, like not different brands, but the, well, different brands too. The size charts, it's not straight across. Sometimes I need a 2X and sometimes the 3Xs are still really good. I swear this is wrong. This is not the right fabric. Oh my word, did I order 2 of the same? I hope not, I think I did. I'm so mad at myself. I swear with both of these orders, I looked at the stuff and I made sure it was the right material. This is so see-through. Oh my gosh, I see you. This is not good. Nonetheless, the sports bras are also 2X, and I'm hoping that they're gonna fit really nicely, because all of my sports bras now, they it's kind of like they fit in places and don't. So I have like lots of extra fabric in places, and then it's just, they're not fitting super great. So I got this blue, which is just beautiful. I also love the Fabletics boob pads, are so big it covers my whole boob. So, and like the Buff Bunny. So I love this blue, I love it, it's so beautiful. And then I got this orange one, which is really pretty as well. And so these are the medium impact. So this is the Mila medium. So I love this sports bra, and then there's the Trinity high impact that looks almost exactly the same. These are my favorite. And sometimes I get them confused because they look very similar. But we'll see. They remind me a lot of the Nike, like the basic Nike sports bra that has like the swoop right here. And that's why I like them so much, because Nike did not go into the size I was last year. I think I can wear Nike now though. On one hand, when I'm looking at these and when I put them on, I was like, I'll protest too much as far as the leggings and ordering the wrong type, because they do actually feel compression and they do look really nice. But I did wear them on a walk just to see if they were different than what I remember, and I still had chafing, which was not my favorite. I love these sports bras. Like I said, they are my favorite sports bras. They are definitely, even when I order the high impact, they're always medium. Now I'm very specific with what Fabletics bras I order. I really love this blue sports bra. I think it's a beautiful color. The same with the orange. I really enjoy. I think I need, going forward, just to stick to black bottoms and colorful sports bras. I haven't fully decided, but I think that I feel the most confident. I feel like it's the most practical having black leggings. And I have decided I need to get some of the leggings that I like from Fabletics. I'm gonna get 2 pairs in the 2X, and then I am not buying any activewear or anything until after the first of the year. So that's a hard stop for me as far as my buying new stuff. Okay, last package. And this is K-Deer. K-Deer is very expensive. This stuff was on sale, and then they had sent me like a birthday coupon. So that's when I ordered these. So I ordered these, and they're so shiny. That's gonna be very interesting to wear. I cannot see through them. That's a good sign. I do really love these. I love these a lot. So I love the stitching. I love their logo is very simple. And then let's see. I cannot believe I bought all of this activewear and it's not even right. Just wasted all my credits. I'm gonna see if I can return it still. I'm so upset. I'm so dumb. Anyway, okay, so this is a gator print. So, and I just got these too. I love the K-Deer leggings. So I just recently have been able to wear them, and before they just didn't fit. Which these look small, a lot smaller than the ones that I have. So they might not fit. Yeah, these looked fine. The shiny ones looked fine. These other ones looked a little small, but I love these. So I have like a super wild print that I haven't shown anyone yet that I can't wait to show you guys. And then the black and pink and gray striped pants that I wore in my first cleaning video, those are K-Deer. So, and it's not like I buy all of this stuff at one time. It feels excessive, I know, but I do not buy it again all at one time. And workout clothes are pretty much the clothes that I buy. I very rarely buy other clothes. So that's why y'all always see me in workout clothes. So anyway, I love these. I feel like they're very like biker chic looking. The leggings were on sale, so they were a little over, or I guess a little under 50% off, because I had a coupon and then they were already marked down on clearance. So both pairs of leggings that I bought, maybe it wasn't clearance, but they were on sale. So well, beautiful people, this video did not go at all like I thought it was going to. If you would like to see a like really in-depth Fabletics haul, like the good things about it, the terrible things about it, because there are terrible things, let me know in the comments down below, and I will go over more detailed what I order and what I look for and why. Sorry that this video is a little negative. I'm actually not feeling down. I just was really shocked at some of the things that happened. I do have to say though, the Buff Bunny bra, while the back makes it a no-go for me, it's just not comfortable. Oh my gosh, it made me look so much better. Like, it is the best fitting sports bra that I have put on my body. I actually look like I had shape, and you could tell like where my boobs ended and my stomach begins, which I feel like you can't tell in a lot of the things that I wear. So that was interesting to notice. But let me know in the comments what you think about this. Let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll see you on Wednesday or Thursday for Weigh In Wednesday. And if you're tuning in every day of the week, Yenna and I are podcasting, so it's available on all podcast directories or on its very own YouTube channel. Also, I just did my office, redid my office. Well, I didn't I put together my office. And if you want to check that video out, I will link to it down below as well. And I look forward to seeing you in all the places for all of the things. Love you so much. Bye.